In this video, I'm going to be talking about modeling a situation using an exponential function. Specifically, what happens when they give us a graph. So it says the graph represents the Y number of customers at a bookstore after X weeks. We want to write an equation to represent the number of customers and then use our equation to figure out how many customers will the bookstore have on week 7. So we're really looking at the graph here. Now remember, when we write an exponential function, an exponential function is usually of the form y equals a times b to the x. The a represents the start, and the b represents what we're multiplying by, okay, every time. Now, when I look at the graph, I want to know where I start. You'll notice that the first point is right here. There's a little line that goes off of that. It tells us that point is at 0, 20. So we're starting with 20 customers. So my equation would be y equals 20. Now, I want to figure out how is it growing. Well, I started with 20 customers, and then when I look at the next point, it says 40. And then the next point says 280. The next point says 3, 160, and 4, 320. So I want to see what's happening to the y coordinate. 20 to 40 to 80 to 160 to 320. It appears to be doubling. So this multiplier must be a 2. If I want to figure out how many customers that the bookstore will have on week 7, well, I just plug 7 in for x because x is my number of weeks. So it's y equals 20 times 2 to the 7th power. Once again, you can just use a graphing calculator to calculate this. So you do 20 times 2 to the 7th, and it says you'll have 2,560 customers. So we'd have 2,560 customers by week 7.